the cross. I'm going to show you how to take apart and after put back together. First, we need to find a piece with an opening. You slide a piece, if you can, like that, with opening. That's the right piece. There is another one you can slide like that, but there is no opening. That's not good. We need the one with the opening. Slide like that. Then take this piece like that. Followed by this one, and finally this one. Put back together. Take the big piece. This one. Inside. And finally this piece. Like that. Slide this piece. The opening, and we bring back the piece. And the cross is done. Thank you for watching and see you next time.